Okay, today we are going to look into the tables VBRP and T006A, and we'll see what fields do we have. We have fields, VBELN, Posner, Architects, FKIMG, VRKME, and T006A, we have MSEHI and MSEHL. So this is unit of uh, measurement units, which is pieces, and this is the explanation of that unit of measurement. Okay. Um, Next is basically this is the program that we are going to write, SC38 VT74, I believe. VT74 underscore work areas 20 September. Executable program, save, little object. So we will be building a structure first, okay, which will begin with the keyword types, begin of TY VBRP. Now, what is VBRP? We'll see that as well. First, we'll write the structure. Types, begin of TY VBRP. VBELN type VBELN underscore VF. Posner type Posner. Architects type Architects. KIMG type KIMG. VRKME. Now, what are these basically? What are we defining over here? We are defining the fields. What we are actually building is a clone of the main table VBRP. Okay. So we are actually telling the system that these fields will actually act like the fields of the main table. The main table is VBRP. We'll see what this main table actually means. Okay. Matner type Matner MW SBP type MWSBP. End of TY VBRP. Okay. Then data WAVBRP type TY VBRP. So basically, what is this? Type is it denotes type, and WA denotes work area. Now, work area is where you can actually give the inputs and upload the data into the work area and use internal tables without accessing the internal tables directly. Okay, V underscore MSEHL type MSEHL. Okay. Next is parameters P underscore VBELN type VBELN underscore VF. right? Right at item. Now, what are these basically numbers? Can anyone tell me? $54 item description. Okay, this is description. Build quantity 54, 16, 72, 8, and 80, 17 net value. So what we are actually making is material 118, 15, X amount. Now select. Now select again is what? VBLN. So what is VBLN? At this point, we'll give a breakpoint over here, but right now, if you have to see what is VBLN, VBLN is a field that we will be accessing. Okay. Before this server actually goes out, let me save it. So we have actually created a structure of the type. Oh, we'll have to rewrite this again. Okay. You have to rewrite it again. Let me do one thing. Just a second. Give me a second because I cannot actually copy and paste the code. Okay. I think we'll have to write it again. Okay. Types begin of VBRP VAUSNET type VAUSNET RTEX type RTEX. Let's save it. Okay. KIMG VRKME type VRKME. Net null Mattner type Mattner, MWS BP type MWS BP, end of CY VBRP. Save. Parameters P underscore V Belen type V Belen underscore VF. Okay, VF right at 46. Okay, 46. Okay, 1240 5416. Build quantity 72 8. 72 8. SU 80 17. Net value 97 97 18. Material save 118 15. Tax amount. Okay, select VBelling, Posner, Artex of KIMG, VRKME, Mattner, Mattner, MW, MWSBP from VBRP. Now, this is also one way of actually, oh, come on, don't do it. Save. Okay, now we are selecting all these rows. Okay. Oh, from VBRP into work area VBRP. Now, work area is your junkyard where you actually get the inputs, calculate everything, and load the structure through work area. Okay. Where, when VBellen equals parameter of VBellen, that what we enter basically, it will select all the items of the structure from this table and load it into WRP when our parameter matches the VBellen field of the structure of the main table. Okay, at the point. So we are actually involving the main table, the work area where it will load everything from the main table using our parameter as the basis. Okay, next is select MSEHL from T006A into VMMSEHL, where SPRAS equals E and MSEHI equals VBRP, VBRP, VRKME. Now, how can we actually access and how do we know that this has the same field as VBRP? Because VBRP is the type. Hello, have we've not defined the work area. Have we defined? Oh, okay, we missed this part. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Data, VBRP type, TY VBRP, and V underscore MSHEL type MSHEL. Okay, save it. Save. Now, VBRP has all the features of the structure TY VBRP. Okay, all the features, all the characteristics like son and child. Okay, cross equals system language. Okay, select right at 416 WAVBRP Posner and the same pattern Posner Artex FKMG. Okay, 1240 WAVBRP of KIMG 1240 54 16 WAVBRP. No, it's before 16. I'm missing something. We have Posner 416 1240 Artex FKIMG 54 16 72 9 72 9 V underscore MSHEL 77 17 VBRP network 72 9 is there? Yes, 77 17 97 97 18 VBRP Matner and 118 15 VBRP MWSBP. Okay, and select. Okay, so MSL from T06. So we are using two tables over here, VBRP T06, and from VBRP we are selecting all these fields, but from T06 we're only using MSEHL into variable MSHEL type MSHEL. This cross equals ENMSHEI equals VRKME of VBRP. So we are integrating via VBRP and T06. They are basically converging at these fields. MSHEI, MSHEL, that matches, and that's how we can actually bring out info from both the tables. Okay, how to get it? Check. Netner is not known. Okay, okay. Check. Field by end select. Select and select. MWSBP, MWSBP, MWSBP. Okay, MWSBP. Unselect will have space. And unselect will have space. Unselect. Select MSEHL, right, VRKME, everything is there. Select must be closed by end select. So where is, okay, let me just delete this. Check. What's end select is end select, right? End select. And VBRP, VBRP Posner. Incorrect nesting. How's that? Oh, select. Oh, okay. Oh, thanks. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Pivot. Direct processing. Webland 904. Okay. So it's basically bringing out from two tables, VBRP T006A. Now, what are the tables? Yes, project goes in MSIT code, VBRP, VRKME. So let's check what these tables are. SC11, VBRP, display. Billing document, billing item, Posner, FKI, MG, build quantity, VRKME, sales unit, base unit of measure. So that is item data. In billing document, the item data is your VBRP. That's the table. Okay. And next thing is T006A display. And that is assigned internal to language dependent unit. So we have MSEHI, MSEHL, unit of measurement, MSEHI, unit of measurement, maximum 30 characters and unit of measurement. Okay. Why we not use internal tables? We'll use that. We'll go ahead and we'll use that also. Okay, we'll load into internal table as well. That's the next lecture, basically. So this is how you actually control it. We have more. Okay, now this is select single. Now when we have single, then we don't end selected. Single from single to be mentioned with project MSHI equals VBRKME. Okay, VRKME cross equals system language. Okay, so we go and SC38 and work areas change. What we'll do is we'll copy this and we'll write another program instead of overwriting it. Work areas 20 September. Programs, save. Okay, over here, now what we do is select single MSEHL from T006A into variable of MSEHL where strass equals E and MSEHI equals VBRP VRKME plus equals now when we write single, we don't need end select because otherwise, if there are more records, okay, it will just create a mess if there is a big table and a large number of records. When it's selecting single, it will just produce single, it will write all, and then it will produce single whenever we actually, okay, you can just check. System language is unknown. Okay. Check, activate. Direct processing. Okay. Raw material. Asset. M800 8842 equivalent. Okay. 904 901. Okay. Goods foreman. It's working, right? So that's how you actually arrange it. It looks good. Okay. VBRP. Now this is where we actually enter into internal table. So I'll give this file to you. You can write it and then you can produce it. And in this way, we cannot use loop with work area. Yes, in that way, of course, but you can also not, it is not suggested to use loops with select statements. Okay, because select basically statement is directly accessing the databases. That's why you don't use select statement within a loop. Okay, I'll just share this file with you. You can actually write the code and load it on the GitHub in your repo and share it with you. Okay.